In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a tutorial, a presentation that requires a demonstration, or simply capturing some processes on your screen, for later reference, PowerPoint offers an incredibly straightforward means to accomplish this. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to create your own screen recordings seamlessly integrated into your PowerPoint slides. Let's start with the basics. Opening your Microsoft PowerPoint application. For many, PowerPoint is a familiar tool, but did you know about its built-in screen recording functionality? It's a feature that often goes unnoticed, but is extremely powerful for creating dynamic presentations. So, with PowerPoint open, you're ready to begin. Once you've launched PowerPoint, the next step is to open an existing file from the opening screen or start a new one. If you're working on a presentation already, navigate through your files and open the relevant one. For new projects, a blank presentation offers a clean slate to work with. Either way, getting your file ready is straightforward. After your file is open and you're ready to add a screen recording, head over to the Insert tab on the ribbon. The Insert tab is where the magic happens for a lot of PowerPoint's functionality, from adding images to embedding videos and, yes, recording your screen. It's your gateway to enriching your slides with various forms of content. Now, look for the screen recording option. Clicking on screen record might feel like you're about to embark on a tech-savvy journey, but Microsoft has designed this feature to be user-friendly. The option is somewhat tucked away, indicating that screen recording is a powerful feature not everyone uses, but once you discover it, you might find it indispensable. With the screen recording tool activated, you're almost ready to capture your screen's content. A small, straightforward toolbar appears, and from here you'll click the record button to start your recording. Before you do, consider what you want to record. Are you demonstrating a software feature, showing off a website, or perhaps walking through a slide deck? Position your screen accordingly. Everything that's visible on your screen can be part of your recording, so ensure you've prepared the scene you want to capture. Once you hit that record button, take a moment to breathe and start your demonstration. The recording captures everything that happens on your screen, including mouse movements and clicks, so make your actions clear and deliberate. Keep in mind that any audio, like your voice or system sounds, will also be recorded, providing an opportunity to add verbal instructions or commentary to accompany your visual demonstration. To conclude your recording, you'll use a simple but specific keyboard shortcut. Shift plus Windows plus Q. It might feel a bit clunky at first, but it's designed to prevent accidental stoppages of your recording. Pressing this combination signals that you're done capturing. Your screen recording will automatically insert itself into the current slide in your PowerPoint presentation. Concluding your recording doesn't mean it's set in stone. PowerPoint allows you to trim your video, adjusting the start and end points to ensure it showcases exactly what you intended. This editing feature can be incredibly useful for sharpening your presentation's focus and keeping your audience engaged with precisely edited content. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to recording your screen using PowerPoint. This function expands the utility of PowerPoint beyond static slides, opening up a world of dynamic presentation possibilities. Whether for educational content, business presentations, or personal projects, integrating screen recordings can elevate your PowerPoint skills to a new level. Remember, practice makes perfect. Familiarize yourself with the screen recording feature, play around with recording different types of content, and soon you'll be adding screen recordings to your presentations like a pro. This feature might just become one of your favorite tools in PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this guide empowers you to make more engaging and informative presentations using PowerPoint's screen recording feature. Happy recording and see you in the next video.